Question 13a. The diameter of a cylinder closed at both ends is 7 cm. If the total surface area is 209 square centimeter, calculate the height. Solution: total surface area of a cylinder closed at both ends is equal to 2 pi ROH, that is a curved surface area, plus the area of the two closed ends which are circular in nature. So you have TSA is equal to 2 pi ROH plus 2 pi RO square. From the formula, what we need is radius, but you have diameter equal to 7, and you should know that if you divide diameter by 2, it gives radius. So radius is 7/2 centimeters. So TSA is 209 equal to 2 times pi, 22/7, times radius 7/2, times height, that is h is unknown, plus 2 times 22/7 times 7/2 all squared. Note that this is one term and this is another term. You have 209 equal to 7, cancelled 7, 2 cancel 2, you are left with 22h for the first term. Plus, you simplify this term, 7/2 square, you express it twice. So let's try and cancel out. 7 cancel 7, cancel 2 with 2, you divide 22 by 2, you have 11, times 7, you have 77. If you collect like terms, you have this. If you subtract, you get this. Divide both sides by 22, you have h equal to 6 centimeters. That is the height of the cylinder. Question 13b. The points S and Y, 19 meters apart, are on the same side of a tree. The angles of elevation of the top T of the tree from S and Y on the horizontal ground with the foot of the tree, not 3, are 43 degrees and 38 degrees respectively. Roman figure 1 illustrates the information in a diagram. Roman figure 2 find correct to 1 decimal place the height of the tree. So you have solution. So let's take this as the tree, and the question stated that the point S and Y are on the same side. So let's take this as one of the points and this as another point. So this is the tree level or foot of the tree. Now you must consider this place very important. The angles of elevation of the top T of the tree from S. So you have S first from the tree. So this point is S and the second point is Y. What that means is that the first angle, 43 degrees, correspond to S. So this angle is 43 degrees and this angle is 38 degrees. You must be careful in arranging S and Y, not this order, but from the angles of elevation. Of course, S and Y, they are 19 meters apart. Then you are asked to find the height of the tree. Height of the tree. Now let's explain that. To get the height of the tree, it is possible to use triangle TPS, but you don't know this place. You can't do that. If you look at triangle TPY, the whole of this length is needed and is unknown. So you have to use the two triangles together to get the value of the height. Roman figure 2, the information in triangle TPS and triangle TPY are jointly needed to find the height. In triangle TPS, tan 43 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is height, adjacent is PS. Now let me bring the diagram so that we get the explanation clearly. So we are looking at triangle TPS. So this angle, you have opposite and adjacent, so you use tangent. So you have opposite as height, tangent as PS. So if you make the height the subject, you have this. So let's call this equation 1. In triangle TPY, that is TPY, we have 38 degrees. This is opposite. The whole of this length is adjacent. So you have H over PY. You make H the subject and you have it in this form. Now check both equations. They have equal side. So if one side is equal, by implication the other side is also equal. That means you equate both sides. You have it in this form. Now if you check PY, you can break PY down into PS plus SY. If you do that, and SY is 19, so you have the left hand side equal to PS plus 19 bracket close times tan 38 degrees. So let's remove the diagram so that we continue the process. So you expand the right hand side. If you expand it, you have this result. So let's collect like terms. We have PS here and you have PS. You collect like terms, you have it in this form. You factor out PS, you have it in this form. You divide both sides by the coefficient of PS. So PS is equal to this. If you evaluate the tangent of the various angles, you have this result. If you multiply and subtract, you have this. And when you divide, PS is equal to 98.1792. For you to get the height, you can use any of equation 1 and 2. But equation 1 is easier because PS is known directly. So this is equation 1. You replace PS with 98.1782 times the value of tan 43 degrees. You multiply it and that gives 91.552104 meters. So 1 decimal place, the height is approximately equal to 91.6 meters. That is the height of the tree. To end this paper, ensure that you are safe. If you are not, you have to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ, because he is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared, because on the last day some will be taken and some will be left. Take good care of yourself, stay out of trouble, study your books, do the needful at all times, flee every appearance of evil, don't defraud others to make money, use your hands and your brain to work genuinely and legally, and the Lord will bless you. Goodbye and stay tuned.